So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy the xSTIK token. But before we do that, I feel like it's only necessary to quickly go over what xSTIK is. Now guys, xSTIK wants to become the first community-approved official XRP mascot, and they also want to lead the XRPL NFT trend. Now they even have an original and unique character that is not limited in any way, and the xSTIK figure can become anything and anyone, and there lies the greatest strength of this brand. Now created by a team of 4 cryptocurrency enthusiasts built with the skills, experience, and endless hunger to push their project forward, the team is also fully doxed in a few places like Global ID, the XM Wallet, and on XRP.com. Now they have a program on their website called the Drop Zone, which includes NFT drops, giveaways, merch drops, even xSTIK token drops, and much more. But now in regards to their xSTIK token, it has a total supply of only 1 billion tokens. And 50% of these tokens were airdropped to the community, and 10% will be for the team, 15% for marketing and giveaways, and 25% for development and operational costs. Awesome, now with that out of the way, let me explain how to buy xSTIK. The first thing you want to do is connect a wallet to the Sologenic DEX and choose one of the 4 options, such as Solo DEX, a ledger device, a decent hardware wallet, or the XM app. And since xSTIK is docked by the XM company, we'll stick with that. So guys, with that being said, the first thing you want to do is connect your XM app to the DEX. And if you don't have the XM app, you can download it in the iOS or Android Play Store. And the next thing you need to do is deposit XRP in your XM wallet and wait for the activation of your wallet and the trust line by sending a minimum of 10 XRP to the wallet. Otherwise, you will have an inactive account. Now, for those that don't have XRP and are confused on how to get it, what I recommend doing is actually signing up for the Bityard exchange. Now, once you create an account to Bityard, you can then deposit any major crypto or stablecoin, which is really cool. And then you need to head over to their spot exchange and convert your crypto into USDT, and then buy XRP with that USDT. Now, once you have officially purchased your XRP, you then need to withdraw your XRP from your wallet by making sure you have the proper address stored in your account and complete the necessary security measures, such as 2FA and even the email verification. Now, once that is complete and processing is over, you should have XRP in your XM wallet. And also make sure to connect your XM wallet to the correct address, which will be displayed on the screen in your Sologenic DEX. Now, once you are connected, make sure to head over to the XRP-STIK website and click on the Sologenic tab to be automatically brought to the xSTIK XRP pair. Now, the reason I do this is also to ensure that we have the right trust line, because the last thing you want to do is swap the wrong cryptocurrency. Now, guys, for the last 2 steps, all you have to do is enter the amount you would like to buy and click on the market order, or click on limit order depending on what you want to do, but market order will sell it immediately, and then click place order, and it's that simple. Now, guys, if you want to see where your xSTIK went, just make sure to check on the wallet and look at that trust line, and you're good to go. And that about wraps up today's video. Hopefully this helps you with the step-by-step guide on how to buy xSTIK. And with that being said, guys, happy hodling, and I'll see you guys later.